Hi, I am Dr. Arvind Kinambi Sheshadri, Consultant Hepatobiliary Surgery and Liver Transplant, Integrated Liver Care, Astro Hospitals, Bangalore. As you are all aware, we are going through the second wave of COVID pandemic and the situation is quite dismal. We hope to come on top of it winning, and we sincerely advise you to stay at home and only if it is necessary come out of your premises, wear your mask, maintain social distancing. I would like to take this opportunity to tell you about vaccination in chronic liver disease patients. So, chronic liver disease patients, as you know, already have some sort of organ failure and their immunity is quite low. So, in these patients, if they develop COVID infection, they can have severe disease and the mortality rate in these patients is quite high. So it is best for these subset of patients to undergo vaccination. Presently in India there are two vaccines available, the Covaxin, which has inactivated virus, and the Covishield, which is based on viral vectors. Both these vaccines are reasonably safe and effective. There is no significant difference, and these vaccines provide reasonable immunity against COVID infection. So, when should a patient with chronic liver disease take this vaccine? If the patient is planned for a transplant, it is better to take this vaccine before transplant because the immune reaction of a patient with chronic liver disease is slightly better in the pre-transplant period, and this immune reaction will provide some reasonable effective immunity against the SARS-CoV virus. Any one of the two vaccines is good, whichever is available in your city or near your place should be taken. Suppose the patient has already undergone a transplant. In our clinical practice, we suggest that they take the vaccine after 3 months when the immunosuppression is reasonably stabilized and the patient has been withdrawn from steroids. Though the immune reaction against this vaccination will be less, still it will provide some reasonable protection against contracting this COVID virus.